Okay, so I've been getting a whole lot of DMs on how to create your AI content video, your story AI content video. And it's not a new thing, it's not new that all these videos are monetizable, both on YouTube here, on TikTok, and on Facebook. And I'll be giving you a step-by-step video tutorial on how to do that using three free apps. Yes, three free apps. You can go the pro mode. You can actually subscribe if you wish to, but majority of people that are starting this content are starting from scratch. Most people don't have money for this subscription. So I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on how to create your first AI video that will be monetizable on any platform you wish to post it. Just make sure you indicate that it's actually AI content. Stay tuned while we go into the tutorial.
Okay, now, so first of all, you head over to ChatGPT and create your story. Now, this is my story, and this is ChatGPT also giving me my image prompts to generate for the story. Now, the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to copy this image prompts and move over to Gemini AI. You can actually download the Gemini AI app and then you click on it. It opens and you paste your prompt. Then you click on the blue button, that's send. You wait for it to load and create the image for you. Now I'm creating this image in 16:9. Yes, I'm creating this image in 16:9. That's YouTube long form video format. You see this? You can zoom them to see how your image is looking, if it's actually giving. Then I'll go ahead to download because I think I like this here. The outfit, the car is giving, including the background. I'll go ahead to keep generating the image and downloading them one by one. I have to paste my second prompt. Automatically from your first prompt, this Gemini AI will start giving you consistent characters. That is one thing I love about Gemini AI. From your first prompt, it starts giving you consistent character. So we're going to allow it to load. And yeah, this is the second character. This is the second image, which is still same as the first, and everything will still work out from your prompts that you're using to generate the image. Now this is how I create. When it's time, after generating your prompts, you move over to Google Labs. You can type, you go to your Chrome and type, or any of your search engine, and type googleflow.com, or just type Google Flow. This will pop out, and then you sign in with your email. Then you click on new project. You have 50 credits every single day. You click on new project. When you click on new project, it takes you to this interface, and then you click on start. You click on start. Then you click on this upload here, this upload button here at your top right corner. You click on it and you look for the image you want to use. This is the one I'm currently using right now. You put in the image. Okay, yes, you put in the image and you click done. You wait for it to upload. You give it time for it to upload. Just exercise patience a little bit. And one sweet thing about this Google Labs is you can sign in with many many email as you like and used them. Now our image has finished downloading. You click on it, it automatically comes here. Now there are two things here. Look at down here where there is video, there is 720p dot 10s, and there is a rectangular box. That rectangular box stands for 16:9 for YouTube long form videos. If you are doing YouTube short, you click on that rectangular box and change it to portrait. But for now we are using the rectangular format because it's a long form video that I'm actually creating. And then I'm going to minimize, go over to my ChatGPT and pick up the dialogues for the story that ChatGPT gave me. This is it, and I copy it, go back and paste it. Now I am using a 3D cartoon format for this video. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to indicate here that I want the dialogues to be in Nigerian assets, in brackets, and then I'll open another bracket and put it must all be in 3D cartoon format. If I'm doing normal humans, those AI videos that normally look like normal human beings, I will not put this 3D cartoon format. So AI is not perfect, they make mistakes, so I have to indicate it so that they will know throughout the whole video that I want it to be a cartoon format. And then I'm going to go ahead and click send. Now look here, our video is generating. Let's just exercise a little bit patience for it to generate. It's at 30% right now. You just have to wait. For the sake of this tutorial, that's why I'm waiting. If I wasn't doing this tutorial right now, I will go ahead and click on that image and paste my prompt, and all of them will be generating at once. Yes, you can do it like that. You can select other images, and as this one is still doing, you paste another prompt and that one will still be generating as once. Now our video is ready. Now this is what you do. You click it to know if what it gave you is actually what you actually want, if it's accurate. You click on this plus button on top of the video.
Congratulations, Amara.
Thank you so much. You deserve it. Hello?
You see?
Congratulations, Amara.
Thank you.
This is exactly what I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and download it. Do you see what I did there? I clicked on the video. You tap on the video and then you will see these options. You see a download button there. You tap it twice. If you are using a phone, but if it's on your laptop, it's just click it once, it will download. But for a phone, you tap the download button twice, and then it starts downloading. Okay, now so we head over to CapCut, and then we bring together all the 10 seconds videos that you've been generating with Google Flow. And make sure when you are bringing them in, you do it according to the scenes. Now you click on new video and you start from the last to the top. That's how our phone storage happens, from the last to the top. Then you click on the first, second and third, then you add. Now let's see what it's going to give us.
Do you want to learn how to create amazing AI story content from scratch? I have created a complete video course that teaches you step by step how to create your own AI stories, generate beautiful visuals, and turn your ideas into engaging content. And it's available for just 20,000 naira. Click the Sellar link in my bio to get the full video course and step-by-step guide on how to create your own sweet story content.
Now this is perfect. The next thing we're going to go ahead to do is you remove the CapCut ending. Don't always forget to remove this. And then you go over to AIUHD and at the top of CapCut, where you see that purple diamond, you click on it and you turn it off because it's not free. Now you have turned it off, you go ahead to review your video again and then you export. This is us exporting. You wait for it to load and then voila, your video is ready. You can post to all socials.